Alright, welcome back. So in this lecture we're going to talk about how to flatten all masks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new layer in our scripts1.psd, and I'm going to click on this little icon here that says add layer mask. Okay, and then let's make another layer and do the same thing, and then we're going to do one more of those just so I can give you a visual aid of what's going to be going on here when I do this script. So I'm going to go to File, we're going to do Scripts, and we're going to click on Flatten All Masks. So watch how I want you to watch this area right here after we click this. Okay, so you see what happened there? All the little links, the chains went away. And so if you were to mask this, which we didn't do, but if you did, that would show up here and the little links would go away because you wouldn't be able to edit this. Now if I hit Control Z and I double click this, we can enter and select the mask. So once you flatten it, you don't have that ability to edit the mask. So let's do that again. File, Scripts, and then Flatten All Masks. So basically it just takes away the ability to edit your mask. So let's save it. And now we have our 3 layer masks and we have our 1 layer with our effects. So it's similar to what I was talking about in the previous lecture when we flattened all the layer effects. Once you flatten it, there's no going back to edit once you flattened it. Okay, that's why I recommend having 2 files for that. Have a flattened PSD and then a regular PSD. That way if you need to edit it, you don't have to redo everything. Imagine doing masks, multiple masks, layer masks, and then you're like, oh wait, I forgot to edit this, or I want to change the mask somewhere else, and I can't because I flattened the mask. So just something to think about. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.